Hello guys, in this video let us check out the level 8 yellow black suitcase. So here you can see it's written level 8 Voyager carry-on luggage. It's a 20-inch luggage and the color is yellow black and it weighs around 4.7 kgs. Unboxing the box. Inside this cardboard box you can see we have a nice yellow suitcase packed up inside the cloth bag. Taking out of the suitcase out of the cardboard box, you can see it's wrapped inside this cloth bag. It's in yellow color. Now I've taken out the suitcase outside the box and you can see it looks gorgeous. This is very beautiful and you can see this is in yellow and black color and the aesthetics looks very nice. You can see we have a nice texture of yellow color which looks absolutely brilliant, and here we have the black texture. Turning up to the other side, we have the side handle which is quite big and looks pretty good and feels really solid in hand. So here are the wheels. So it has 4 wheels and wheels look quite sturdy. One of the best part about this luggage is its handles. You can see it is a large handle from the side, so you can see you can easily drag the suitcase anywhere. Now taking a look at some of the paperwork, you can just pause the video and read it here. So this is a hard case luggage from level 8 and it's very premium. And here you can read a backstory about the level 8 and you can see what this exactly means. Instruction manual of the level 8 case in 3 other colors such as the black, pink and the blue color. We have got the yellow and black. So here we have the safety and warranty information. You can pause the video and read this. User manual is very well written and with all the pictures it shows what it is. Here it shows the interior and exterior of the suitcase. Here are the zip and you can see that it has a TSA lock in which you can just keep it here and lock it. So just keep this pin inside this hole correctly and put up your pin and then press this and you can see this gets locked. In order to unlock, you just need to repress this and you can unlock it like this. So that's how it's easy it is. The zip also seems to be pretty strong. We have just zipped it few times and this looks quite good and of a very good quality too. So opening up the suitcase, you can see here we have nice compartments. So this compartment, it has 3 compartments, very well and nicely organized. We have quite a lot of space in both of the set of compartments. And you can see here you can just keep all your toiletries, and so you can see this is how the space looks like. The fabric quality looks quite good. This is made of very good material and this is a premium suitcase. So if you're looking for really good quality, high quality suitcase, you should definitely look at this. So you can see this very soft, transparent compartment for your suitcase. Silica gel so that there is no moisture inside this suitcase. When we open the zip, you can see here we have more space inside and here is a nice lock wherein which you can keep your clothes and then lock this like this, and you can just expand this so that this gets tight and you can press this to unlock. So that's how easy it is. So guys, this is a 20-inch carry-on luggage and you can see I have fitted my clothes here. You can see this trolley movement is also quite good. This is very robust and you can easily just take this and you can just take this on and glide it. So you can see this has a long handle and it makes it easier to just glide. So this is a really great feature about this suitcase which we love, that it has a really nice handle which you can use to just glide it through floor wheels and you can just easily pull around. So you won't face any discomfort while dragging this suitcase. So you can see it looks pretty cool here. 20-inch one, we also have the 26-inch level 8 Voyager luggage. So again this in yellow black. It weighs at 7 kgs. We have the 28-inch one which weighs in around 7.6 kg. This is a 26-inch one luggage. The suitcase, all the 3 from 20-inch ranging from 26 and then 28. So here you can see we have a lot of storage options here, and if you're planning a trip for a longer time, you can just use the 20-inch for the cabin luggage and you can just put these two 26 and 28 inside the checked in luggage and you can easily have clothes for up to 2 months pretty easily. So these 3 suitcases are really nicely made and they look very premium as well. As you can see, they look really nice in yellow and black color, and these are from level 8. If you're interested in purchasing the same, we will leave a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So all 3 suitcases have the same features. You can see all have 4 wheels, and just a 28-inch one has a separate handle here through which you can just even put it like this. So this is a separate thing in the 28-inch luggage. Other than that, everything is very much same, including the handles. So even handles are the same in everyone. We have the nice and long handle on this 20, 26 and the 28-inch suitcase. Same goes the lock as well. The lock is also very robust. It's a TSA lock, and this will give protection to your suitcase. You also get this nice suitcase cover. Once you're done with the use of suitcase, you can just put this cover on your top of suitcase, and this will be protected from any kind of scratches, etc. So this is really good that we get this suitcase cover with the suitcase. The detailing on the suitcase is quite good. You can see the texture. The texture looks very nice, and you can see the wheels are made of very good quality, and they easily spin. And with the given long handle, there will be no issues dragging this or pulling this suitcase. So opening is very easy. You just pull this and this gets opened. Similarly, you can set up a new lock. So overall, we are pretty happy with this suitcase, and definitely serves the purpose. It is made of a very high quality material, and as well it's a hard suitcase, so this will definitely protect your things inside the suitcase, and this won't break very easily. So that's pretty good. So if you're looking to buy a good suitcase this holiday season, make sure to go and get the level 8 suitcases from the given link below. And that was a quick video of the level 8 suitcases. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also check out our blog, which is trendyblog.net, for more such cool videos and reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys soon in the next video.